What happens to your body when you chew 2 cloves every day on an empty stomach? Imagine a simple habit that could transform your health in ways you never expected. Chewing just 2 cloves every morning on an empty stomach might be the secret remedy you've been missing. Keep watching to uncover the surprising benefits. Are you constantly struggling with digestive issues, bad breath, or low energy? Do you find yourself relying on multiple remedies that never seem to work? If so, you're not alone. Many people overlook the power of natural remedies like cloves. 1. Cloves enhance digestion and gut health. Ever feel bloated or suffer from frequent stomach discomfort? Poor digestion is often the culprit, and cloves might be the natural fix you need. These tiny yet mighty spices contain compounds that stimulate digestive enzymes, helping break down food more efficiently. Chewing cloves before breakfast can increase the secretion of digestive juices, reduce bloating and gas formation, combat stomach ulcers and infections. The active compound in cloves, eugenol, has strong anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the stomach lining and prevent acid reflux. By making this a habit, you can experience smoother digestion and a healthier gut. Additionally, cloves contain dietary fiber that promotes bowel regularity and prevents constipation, ensuring a smooth digestive process. 2. Powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Did you know that cloves can act as a natural shield against harmful bacteria and viruses? Thanks to their antimicrobial properties, they help combat various infections. Regular consumption can kill harmful bacteria in the mouth and gut, reduce the risk of food poisoning, strengthen immunity against common colds and flu. If you're prone to frequent infections, chewing 2 cloves daily may help your body build stronger defenses. Moreover, cloves have been shown to fight specific bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which are responsible for several infections and illnesses. 3. Cloves fight bad breath and improve oral health. Worried about bad breath? Instead of relying on artificial mouth fresheners, try this natural remedy. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to combat oral issues. When chewed, they eliminate bad breath by killing odor-causing bacteria, reduce gum inflammation and pain, strengthen teeth, and prevent cavities. For those who suffer from frequent toothaches, cloves provide a natural pain relief solution while maintaining oral hygiene. Additionally, chewing cloves stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize acids in the mouth and maintain a balanced oral pH. 4. Cloves boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Struggling to shed those extra pounds? Adding cloves to your daily routine could give your metabolism the boost it needs. Here's how it helps. Enhances metabolism and fat-burning capacity. Regulates blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings. Prevents fat accumulation by improving digestion. Paired with a healthy diet and regular exercise, cloves can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Furthermore, cloves contain compounds that help regulate lipid metabolism, which reduces the risk of obesity and heart disease. 5. Cloves help regulate blood sugar levels. For those dealing with blood sugar fluctuations, cloves may offer natural support. Studies suggest that cloves can improve insulin sensitivity, regulate glucose levels, reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Adding cloves to your routine can help keep your blood sugar in check, making it a great addition for diabetics or those at risk. Additionally, the antioxidants in cloves protect pancreatic cells from oxidative stress, supporting long-term insulin function. 6. Cloves improve respiratory health. If you're often battling coughs, colds, or congestion, cloves can be a natural remedy. Their expectorant properties help clear mucus from the airways, reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, relieve symptoms of asthma and bronchitis. A simple yet effective way to breathe easier every day. Moreover, cloves contain compounds that act as natural decongestants, breaking up mucus and clearing blocked nasal passages for better breathing. 7. Cloves reduce inflammation and joint pain. Joint pain and inflammation can make daily activities challenging. Cloves contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce swelling and pain in joints, improve mobility and flexibility, prevent arthritis-related discomfort. For those suffering from chronic pain, chewing cloves could be a natural alternative to painkillers. Additionally, the analgesic properties of eugenol in cloves provide long-lasting relief from pain and discomfort. 8. Cloves improve liver health. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, and cloves support this vital organ. They help flush out toxins from the liver, protect liver cells from oxidative stress, improve overall liver function. A healthy liver means better digestion, improved metabolism, and overall well-being. Cloves also support bile production, which aids in fat digestion and detoxification. 9. Cloves promote better sleep and reduce stress. Struggling with sleep or constant stress? Cloves may offer a natural solution. These aromatic spices have mild sedative properties that help calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety, promote restful sleep by relaxing the body, alleviate stress-induced headaches and tension. Drinking warm, clove-infused water before bedtime can enhance sleep quality and relaxation. Final thoughts. Chewing just 2 cloves every morning on an empty stomach may seem like a small step, but it can lead to remarkable health improvements. From boosting digestion to strengthening immunity, cloves offer a wide range of benefits backed by science. However, moderation is key. Too much can lead to irritation or side effects. So, are you ready to give this natural remedy a try? Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried chewing cloves and what benefits you've noticed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health tips.